industries. Those industries which supply products as raw materials to manufacture other goods. Those products which are used to make other products are known as basic or key industries. For example, iron and steel. And the other type of industries, consumer industries, those industries that make products which are beneficial, which are used by the consumers directly, are known as consumer industries. These industries make these products for the betterment of the people. For example, sugar, toothpaste, paper, fans, TVs, these products are used by the consumers, and these industries are known as consumer based industries. We can classify the industries on the basis of their capital investment. On the basis of capital investment, industries can be classified as small scale industries and large scale industries. Small scale industries include iron and steel industries, and small scale industries include those industries which produce products which are used in the daily life, and those industries which can run by a small firm are known as small scale industries. For example, SIDCO. And large scale industries are those industries which produce those products where large investment is needed. For example, TISCO, SAIL, iron and steel industry. And on the basis of ownership, industries can be classified on public sector industries, those industries which are owned by government agencies, for example, BHEL, SAIL, etc. And private sector industries which are owned by an individual or group of individuals, for example, TISCO, Bajaj Auto Limited, and joint sector industries that are run by both state and individuals, for example, OIL, Oil India Limited. And there is one more sector, that is cooperative sector, which are owned and operated by producers of raw materials, for example, sugar industry in Maharashtra, cooperative banks, cooperative societies. And further, the industries can be classified on the basis of bulk and weight of raw materials and finished goods. For example, heavy industries, that's iron and steel industry, and light industries, for example, electric goods, fans industries, SIDCO. These come across light industries.